Hello, grade one. How are you? For today, we're going to learn another lesson in math. I know that you've already learned this in our class. All right. Our lesson is about addition within 20. But before we proceed, we have to recall first the meaning of addition. When I say addition, it's about putting things or objects together. For example, I have two and I have three. If I put them together, I have five. So 2 plus 3 equals 5. Just for today, we're going to learn a specific technique or method on how to add numbers within 20. And this technique is what we call make 10 method. So before we get to our examples, let's recall on how to make 10. Are you ready? Let's have example. No, not yet example. Let's have number one on our review portion. I have here a 10 frame. Notice that the 10 frame is not yet full. Okay? It means it's not yet 10. Remember, if a 10 frame is full of counters, it means there are 10 counters. Here, we have 7 blue counters so far. How many more do we need to make 10? One method is just by counting the number of empty spaces or boxes. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. There are still 3 empty boxes. It means the missing number in this addition sentence is 3. 7 plus 3 equals 10. The other method is by counting on. We put 7 in mind and we count on with our fingers until we get the number 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. How many fingers? 3. So the missing number is 3. You get that? Let's have another example. Number 2. Our 10 frame, again, it's not full of counters. So it's not yet 10. All right. We have here blank plus 9 equals 10. What do you think is the missing number? If your answer is 1, you got it right. The missing number is 1. The number 9 here is actually representing the empty boxes or the white circles. So this missing number should be the number of blue counters, and there's only 1 in the 10 frame. There's only 1 blue counter in the 10 frame. 1 plus 9 equals 10. Or we can use the counting on method to find the missing number. Put 9 in mind and count on until you get 10. 9, 10. You just need 1 more finger. So the missing number is 1. All right? Now for my next examples, under this review portion, I'm not going to provide 10 frames. Let's have number 3. Blank plus 8 equals 10. What do you think is the missing number? Let's see if the missing number is your answer. We will put 8 in mind and then count on until we get 10. 8, 9, 10. The missing number is 2. Did you get it right? Congratulations. Let's have number 4. 6 plus blank equals 10. What is the missing number? Let's see. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4 fingers. So the missing number is 4. 6 plus 4 equals 10. All right. Now, let's get to our main lesson for today. It's about addition using the make 10 method. Example number 1. How many counters are there all together? You can just count all of them and give the answer right away. Yes, you can do that. But for this particular example, we're going to apply or use the make 10 method. So how do we do that? First, let's count the number of blue counters in the picture. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 blue counters. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4 red counters. The question is asking the number of counters all together, which means we are going to put 9 and 4 together. So we're going to have 9 plus 4, and that is equal to our answer. Okay? Next, which number is bigger or greater? Is it 9 or 4? Of course, it's the number 9, which means that the number that we need to break into parts is the smaller number 4. Look at number 9. How many more do we need to get 10? What's your answer? 1. And we can see it from the counters. There are 9 blue counters so far. There is this extra space, so we need 1 more counter to make 10, to make the 10 frame full. But we can't do that in our book. So what we are going to do is we're just going to draw a big circle around these 10 counters. Notice that the 4 red counters has been divided into 2 parts or 2 groups. The first group contains 1 counter, and the second group contains 3 counters. 1 and 3 make 4. Again, 9 and 1 make 10. That's the make 10 method. And then 10 plus 3 equals 13. So 9 plus 4 is 13. There are 13 counters all together. That's how we can use or apply the make 10 method in adding numbers within 20. Did you get it? Let's have another example. 3 plus 8 equals blank. There are 3 red counters and there are 8 blue counters. Now let's focus on the numbers 3 and 8. Which do you think is the bigger or the greater number? It's the number 8. Look at number 8. How many more do we need to make 10? If your answer is 2, you are correct because 8 and 2 make 10. You can use the counters. We already have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we need 2 more to make 10. So the number 3, the smaller number 3, will be broken into two numbers. The first number is 2, and the second number is 1. 1 and 2 make 3. Remember that 8 and 2 make 10. This is the very reason why the method is called make 10 method. And what do we do next? We bring down 1 over here and we add 10 and 1, and the result is 11. So 3 plus 8 is 11. Did you get that? All right. To check if you have understood our discussion for today, so I want you to do the following book activity. Items 1, 2, and 3 on pages 82 and 83 of Math 1A. If you are already done with these items, then you're done. Okay? If not yet, you do these items. And right after this video, you also check your Math Pro because I'm going to assign an activity regarding our discussion today. All right? I'll see you on my next video. Bye-bye.